Hello, what's up? So today I'm going to discuss Berkshire Hathaway Inc, which is BRK-B, and this company is the company of the smartest investor in the world, who is Warren Buffett, and you know that, right? So what's up? Are you going to make millions of dollars in Wall Street? Yes or no? If yes, then congrats. If no, don't worry. If you believe you cannot, I am assuring you can. But be focused, okay? So try hard and be focused. Okay, so what about one day trend? So in one day, Berkshire Hathaway went up by $1.66, which is 0.34% higher on June 18, 2025. So what about 5 days? In 5 days, it was like in sideways because it was $485.20. So it's like only 6 cents movements in 5 days. So there is nothing much. So it is sideways movement. Okay. So it went up and went down, and ultimately it is the same price, almost the same price. So what about 1 month? So in 1 month, actually it went down from $512.39 to $485.14. So whatever 6 months, in 6 months, however, it went up from $449.34 to $485.14. It's a good upward movement in 6 months. What about 1 year? In 1 year, it went up greatly. So it went up from $409.15 to $485.14, which is a good move for 1 year, right? It's a really good move. So 1 year return is really high. So what about 5 years? In 5 years, however, it is a gem. So it went up from $175.37 to $485.14, which is like a big deal of movement, great deal of movement for 5 years. It was up by miles. So Berkshire Hathaway is a good stock. You understand that, right? From return statistics, also you can understand that. Because in 1 year return, it was 18.92% return. It's a good return, right? Because S&P 500 only gave 9%. What about 3 year return? 3 year, 81% return, while S&P 500 gave 63% return. What about 5 years? In 5 years, it gave massive return, 168.40%, as opposed to S&P 500 only 92%. So it beat S&P 500 by miles. What about financials? So profit margin is high, 22%. What about return on equity? That's good, 13%. So what about EPS? EPS is really good, 37.50. It's really good EPS. What about trailing P? 12.93. What about forward P? Forward P, however, shows higher, but it will eventually become better. Okay. So what about price versus sales? That is fantastic, right? 2.52. What about price versus book? That is also fantastic, 1.6. What about enterprise value versus revenue? That's also good, 2.72. All the matrices say in favor of this stock. What about analyst assumption about this stock? Analyst estimate is like this stock should be at this moment $521 as opposed to real price of $485.14, which is like undervalued. Okay, so according to me also the stock is undervalued. So there's an opportunity, according to me, buying opportunity. But however, apply your judgment. Okay, this is stock market, this is Wall Street, so anything can happen anytime. So this is the disclaimer. So I will tell you, please apply your judgment before taking any buy decision. This stock is really a good stock. That's what is my personal opinion. It is only to help you. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.